Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Welcome back to Colvin Park in Rock Hill, South Carolina, a brand new single-family home community where modern design, flexibility, and convenience all come together beautifully. Today, we're touring the Winslow 3503 floor plan, and if you need space, functionality, and versatility, this one definitely delivers. The Winslow offers over 3,600 square feet with options ranging from 4 to 5 bedrooms and up to 4.5 bathrooms, making it a great fit for growing families, multi-generational living, or anyone who simply wants extra room to spread out. And pricing for the Winslow currently starts around $499,000, depending on the home site, elevation, and customization options selected. As soon as you walk in, one of the first things you'll notice is the true space study located on the main level. This area is perfect for a home office, flex space, or even an optional guest bedroom depending on your family's needs. Moving further into the home, the layout opens up beautifully into the main living area with a spacious great room, dining area, and kitchen that all flows together seamlessly, making this home ideal for entertaining or everyday living. You'll also find thoughtful designs throughout, like the built-in bench area near the garage entry, a walk-in pantry, breakfast nook, and plenty of natural gathering spaces. Upstairs, though, is where the Winslow really shines. The second floor features a large open game room, spacious secondary bedrooms, all with walk-in closets, plus a generous sized laundry room that's actually functional for real everyday living. And of course, the primary suite gives that true retreat feel with dual vanities, a large walk-in shower, and an oversized walk-in closet that offers plenty of storage space. And one thing I really like about this floor plan is the flexibility. The Winslow is available in different lifestyle series, including open, traditional, and transitional styles, giving buyers the ability to personalize the home to better match their design preferences and lifestyle. Now, let's talk about the community itself. Colvin Park is located just about 8 minutes from downtown Rock Hill and roughly 35 minutes from uptown Charlotte, with convenient access to I-77, making it a great option for commuters or anyone wanting to stay connected to both North and South Carolina living. The community will feature 226 home sites with semi-custom single-family homes, 2-car garages, and access to a design studio so buyers can truly personalize their home from the ground up. Amenities will include a dog park and pickleball courts, adding even more lifestyle value to the neighborhood. So overall, if you're looking for a spacious floor plan, modern finishes, flexible living spaces, and a location that keeps you close to both Rock Hill and Charlotte, the Winslow here at Colvin Park is definitely one worth touring. If you're considering relocating to the Charlotte metro area and you want to explore communities like Colvin Park, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this home. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.